In the previous lecture, we have learned four basic differentiation rule. So we are going to continue with the fifth rule, the product rule. The product rule is used for the differentiation for the multiplication of two functions. All right, so if u is a function and v is another function, just like this. All right, u is a function of x, and this is the v, another function of x. So when we differentiate, right, so this is what we do, right? First we take u, right, we just take the u and we differentiate the v, plus we take the v and we differentiate u. All right, let's see an example. All right, now, so differentiate y equals to, right, so we have two functions here. All right, 3x squared plus 7, and another function is 6 minus 5x. Okay, we are going to take this as function u and take this as function v. All right, so now when we differentiate u, right, we put u dx, when we differentiate this function, so we bring the power down times 2, bring down times 3, we have 6, right, 2 minus 1 is power 1. All right, so usually if it's a power 1, we will not, we don't write the 1 here. Okay, now the second function, all right, 6 minus 5x, when we differentiate 6, we get 0. So differentiate x, we get 1, so it will be minus 5 times 1, which is negative 5. All right, so 0 minus 5, right, which is negative 5. All right, now using the formula here, all right, so first we take u, so we take the first function. All right, so it will be, all right, so we write dy dx. Okay, first we are going to take the first function, which is 3x squared plus 7. Right, this is the u. And after that, we take the dv dx. So we differentiate the v. So differentiate the v is here. So it's negative 5. We have negative 5 plus. Right, take the v, which is this one. So we have 6 minus 5x. And differentiate the u. Differentiate the u is, all right, differentiate this one, we have 6x. Okay, so we have 6x here. All right, now, so this is the differentiation. However, all right, we cannot leave our answer like this. We need to simplify. So to simplify, we need to expand. So first we have 3x squared times negative 5. 3x squared times negative 5. What do we get? We get 3, 5, 15, negative 15, x squared plus, okay, it should be minus 7 times negative 5, negative 35, plus 6 times 6, 36x, negative 5x times 6x, negative 30x squared. Okay, so simplify this, we have negative 30x squared minus 15x squared, so we have negative 45x squared, right? Negative 30x squared minus 15x squared, so negative 45x squared, plus 36x minus 35, right? So this will be the final answer. Okay, so for the multiplication of two functions, when we differentiate, we use this formula. Now let's move on to the quotient rule. Okay, so quotient rule, right, is we use quotient rule for the differentiation of division of two functions. Alright, so when we have a function like this, right, a function of x divided by another function of x, so we use this formula to find the differentiation. Okay, so the formula says that, right, the upper function function is the u. So this one is u. And the lower function here is v. Alright, so this is v. Alright, so now as usual, we need to find du dx. Alright, so from here is 3, and also we need to find dv dx. From here it is 2x. Alright, to bring down to minus 1, 1. Alright, now after that, right, the result, first we take the v, so we take the bottom one. Alright, so this is the v, so we take this. So you see it's here, this is the v. Now after that we take the u, we take du dx. So the du dx is the differentiate of the first function, the upper function. So this is the du dx 3, so we put it here. Minus, which is here, minus. Alright. After that we take the upper function, the u. So we are going to take this 3x plus 5, so this is 3x plus 5. Multiply dv dx, which is 2x. And divided by v squared. So what is v? V is this one, v, x squared minus 2. So we have x squared minus 2 squared. Alright, now after that we expand this, 3x squared, right, minus 6, minus 6x squared, right, minus 10x, and simplified we have this. Alright, so let's take a look on the other example. Okay, so we take this one as u and this one as v. So we are going to differentiate according to the formula. Alright, so as usual, what do we need to find? Alright, we need to find the du dx and the dv dx. Okay, so we find the du dx. Okay, the du dx. So we differentiate the u, we have, right, 2 bring down, times 2, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so we have 4x. And differentiate v, so differentiate this one, we have 3. Right, now after that, right, when we differentiate, right, okay, you can see here this is fx. So when we differentiate, we have to put the f prime x. Okay, f prime x, we will follow this. Okay, now when we differentiate, first we take v. Alright, so this is the v, 3x minus 2. So we have 3x minus 2. Alright, and after that we take the du dx. So what is du dx? Du dx is 4x. Okay, so we have 4x minus. After that we take the u, right? The u is the upper function, this one, 2x squared minus 3. So we have 2x squared minus 3. And we differentiate the v, right? Differentiate the v is 3. So we have 3 here. Okay. Now divided by v squared. So v is the lower function. Alright, so this one, v squared. So we have 3x minus 2 squared. Alright, now as usual, we need to expand this. So we have 3x multiply 4x, we get 12x squared. And negative 2 minus 4, negative 8x minus, alright, 2x squared times 3, 6x squared, negative times negative, positive, 3 times 3, 9, and it's over 3x minus 2 square. Alright, so finally 12x squared minus 6x squared, we have 6x squared. Alright, minus 8x plus 9. Alright, so over 3x minus 2 squared, and this is our final answer. Alright, so we use the product rule for the difference for the multiplication of two functions, right, to find the differentiation of the multiplication of two functions, and we use the quotient rule to find the differentiation of the division of two functions, right?